This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN, which allows us to very easily connect our tablet to VPN, as you could have guessed from its name. Alrighty, so once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the agree and continue button. After that, skip this ad. And in order to establish the VPN connection, simply tap at the caret icon over here. Then confirm the connection request. And as you can see by this key indicator at the right half of your status bar, the VPN network was successfully enabled and connected to. While at it, you can reconnect to other server or even country. So let's say I'll reconnect myself from Netherlands to Germany. And finally, in order to disconnect from VPN, you gotta simply tap at this cross icon over here, then choose the disconnect option. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention guys, and bye bye.